guys, so I got a package from my friend and I really haven't put it back, but this is kind of a review slash purchase package. So it is from my classmate and I opened it but I didn't really see what's inside. This is the first bag I see.
Hi.
So then I have the second bag. So I'm gonna open this up.
10, 11, 12.
What packaging is that?
Inside in this actually polka dot bag. Nicely. Okay. Wait.
No, hold.
I know. You see first. So actually really kind of squishy, but it's actually just soft.
And there's a chocolate syrup cake.
Stop, can I see your face?
And they put some sprinkles on the zigzag.
Then I have this one. I don't know what is this actually. It's just a character. Wait. Can you please wait?
You have this big mouth and it's like.
Yeah, that I got from her.
Can I tell you?
This is the next. So this is the next squishy. Hey, very cute. In the picture she didn't show in the packaging, so she like blah.
Yeah.
Next I have this Hello Kitty orange, and I never had a Hello Kitty is the orange vegetable. Fruit. This is orange. Then she gave me this panda one, which is very defective. I have a lot of panda ones, so another one's in my collection. But this got me this Hello Kitty marshmallow. So that's in the first bag. Now we're going to go to the second. Oh my god, Harima, wait. So that's the first bag, and now we're going to the second bag. To the second bag! Yay! Got out. And she put it in packaging. Extra packaging, I guess. Hello Kitty donut like that. It's actually pretty defective, but it's okay. I got another bagel. She gave me this Hello Kitty decorated donut. See? And she has a tag. So that's it for all this package. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and bye-bye. Bye, say bye.
Bye.